don't throw away your old toothbrushes just yet, because today I'll show you 5 clever ways to reuse them at home. These hacks are simple, practical, budget-friendly, and surprisingly useful. And before we start, here's a quick trick to make old toothbrushes look almost new again. If your toothbrush bristles are bent or frayed, don't throw it away yet. Place the brush head into hot water for about 1 minute. The heat helps the bristles return closer to their original shape. Now, it's ready for these DIY hacks. First hack, a sliding track cleaner. Cut off the toothbrush head carefully. Then heat the end of the handle for a few seconds. Attach it to the back of the brush head to create an angled brush. This shape makes it much easier to clean tight spaces. Perfect for removing dust and dirt from sliding door and window tracks. Look at all that hidden dirt coming out. Next, turn your toothbrush into a strong, reusable hook. Soak the handle in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the plastic softens, gently bend it into an S shape. And that's it. Now you have a simple hook for towels, kitchen utensils, or lightweight clothes. Cheap, useful, and easy to make. Hack number 3 makes cleaning greasy corners much easier. Carefully heat the plastic behind the brush head for a few seconds. Then bend the head backward slightly. This curved angle helps you reach difficult spots comfortably. Great for cleaning kitchen sinks, stove grates, and tight corners. You can scrub deep inside without hurting your hands. Now, here's a smart cleaning trick for faucets and pipes. Take 2 toothbrushes and place the bristles facing each other. Secure them tightly together using a rubber band. This creates a double-sided cleaning clamp. Clip it over the faucet and slide it back and forth. It cleans both sides at the same time. Fast, easy, and super satisfying. And finally, one of the easiest but most useful hacks. Use the toothbrush to clean narrow gaps in fruit peelers and kitchen tools. It removes trapped dirt while keeping your fingers safely away from sharp blades. It's also great for scrubbing tile grout and even pulling hair out of bathroom drains. A simple toothbrush can clean places your hands can't reach easily. Which toothbrush hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video.